Nokia is about to launch another amazing smartphone in the market. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone in the mid-budget range, then your wait might just be over. Nokia is all set to unleash the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G, a phone that promises to fulfill all your smartphone desires. This powerhouse from Nokia is rumored to come with a 144-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 7000 mAh battery. If you're excited to know more about this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be diving deep into its full leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G. Nokia's latest marvel is expected to flaunt a 6.85-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass 7. On top of that, you'll get a 120Hz refresh rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G is rumored to feature a triple camera setup, with a primary 144-megapixel lens, a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best angles. Operating system and performance. Under the hood, this smartphone is expected to run on the latest Android 16 OS, and powered by the blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. Battery beast. One of the biggest highlights. A massive 7000 mAh battery, that could easily last 2-3 days on a single charge. And if that wasn't enough, it might also support 90-watt fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The Nokia Zeno Xtreme 5G is expected to be priced around $500, though the final price will be confirmed at launch. And as for the launch date, rumors suggest it could hit the market by the end of this year.